Hi Ramya, hello Sai.
Hi, Pallavi.
Congratulations on being accepted as speakers for Global Testing Retreat by ATA. And would you please introduce yourselves?
Sure. I'll just start with myself. So I'm Ramya. I have around 18 plus years of experience, Pallavi, and I've been in the space of performance and resilience engineering has been my core area of interest, and that's been my area of specialization.
Okay.
I've worked with various products and service companies, and I've been an entrepreneur. And now with LTI, I'm glad to be part of GTR conference. So that's quickly about me.
Thank you, Ramya. Sai, please.
Yeah. Hi, Pallavi. My name is Sai, and I've got over 16 years of experience in IT, and I'm part of LTI for the past 3 years now. So my role is a senior architect with
Okay.
LTI, and my predominant core competencies include test automation, resilience engineering, and performance engineering as well. I'm also involved in some of the pre-sales and business development activities as well, along with these core competencies.
Okay. Good to know that, Sai.
Yeah.
So the
And I
topic,
have been
yeah.
just to know that I've been part of ATA GTR a couple of years ago,
Okay.
and I was selected as one of the top three papers, right, in
Okay. That's
GTA.
awesome.
Yeah.
Congratulations for that, although pretty late. So it must be, I think that would have been an physical summit.
Yeah. It
Okay.
was in Pune. It was in
Okay.
Pune. Yeah.
Okay, great, great. Good to know that, Sai. So the topic of your session is the know-hows in resilience and reliability testing. Would you please briefly tell us about it, what audience can expect from it?
So basically, I mean, the paper revolves around the need for getting a holistic view on end-to-end, the need for performance, resilience, and reliability validation, which is the much need of the hour, at
Okay.
least after the post-pandemic, where we are talking so much about business resilience. So I think resilience has become the IT resilience has become like as a de facto expectation from most of the customers, right? So
Okay.
the paper also revolves around how do we connect the dots, being from a quality assurance background, how do we marry dots of performance engineering we have been doing chaos engineering, we have been doing a lot of validation to assure reliability of the application. But
Okay.
what is actually missed in the market from our perspective is the holistic view of how do we connect these dots together, marry with each other,
Okay.
and bring a holistic validation strategy from a quality assurance perspective. So
Okay.
the paper revolves around that, and the audience could expect a very good strategization from a strategy perspective. How do they bring an end-to-end validation strategy to ensure the application is highly scalable, reliable, and resilient enough when they give a quality assurance proposal, or when they build a quality assurance strategy. So that's
Okay.
quickly about what the audience could expect.
Okay, cool, Ramya. I'm sure that's a happy marriage which happens between these things. Okay, great. Good to know that. So, this would be involving some quiz sessions as well from your end.
Yes.
Okay, so audience have to be really listening well to do well in the quiz.
Yeah. So how we planned is like we want to have a pre-session quiz just to ensure that just to put them,
Okay,
corner them, that they do not know certain things. At least
right.
they will have I mean, attitude to learn certain things. So that excitement, to build that excitement, we wanted to have a pre-session quiz, but it is a very small, very short quiz. But after the session is complete, including the demo, we have planned for a detailed quiz for 15 to 20 minutes,
Okay,
which will really help them to understand certain concept and check their learning, check their knowledge level more from to check their understanding. That will help us really. And since that is being conducted online in an interactive fashion, everybody will get to know what people have say multiple choice question, what answer they have opted for, and what is their perspective. So we get a room to discuss as well. So I think that will get them onto the track to ensure they have got the right learning. So that's how we have planned for that.
okay. That's very nice, Ramya. And indeed, I'm sure audience would learn a lot and would be able to also test what they have picked up from your sessions and science
Yeah.
session. Sai, would you like to add anything about the topic which audience can expect? Anything add on to Ramya?
Yeah, so I wanted to quickly touch upon the demos, right? What we
Okay.
will present, apart from the quiz that Ramya talked about.
Okay.
So we are planning for 2 demos.
Okay.
One demo will predominantly focus from a resiliency aspect, right?
Okay.
Which Ramya talked about, particularly focus on chaos engineering. We will also demonstrate a tool, preferably an open source tool on,
Okay.
how do you inject the different chaos engineering attacks, you know, on a containerized applications, right? Since the world is now most of the enterprises are now moving towards microservices and cloud, it makes sense for us to deploy a microservices application and inject some of the chaos engineering attacks, and see, what are the different attacks, that you can possibly inject, right? We'll give an overview of the chaos engineering concepts as such in the first demo, right?
Okay.
And so that's from the resiliency aspect. So
Okay.
the second part of the session will focus more from the reliability aspect that Ramya also mentioned about, right? So where we will talk about, the whole correlation of this chaos engineering and then the continuous observability, right?
Okay.
So you do the chaos engineering attack. It's not just chaos engineering, right? So how do you ensure that, there is an observability of the system? How do you ensure that the different aspects, right? Your application transactions, right? When you do the chaos engineering, what is the impact on the application transactions or on the server resources? That is one portion of the game. And second is on from a site reliability engineering aspect, how do you ensure that all your defined SLOs and SLAs are met, right?
Okay.
So these are the two aspects that we will cover as part of the demo.
Okay, that's great. That's very nice to know. So looks like a very technically enriching session for the audience. Thank you, Ramya. Thank you, Sai, for taking this topic. And it's a very niche area, and I'm sure audience and I'm also going to learn a lot from you guys. Thank you so much
Absolutely.
for bringing this.